I had done some recording or voiceovers that I tried to do with my Mac over there, that the stock speaker that obviously it comes with is a piece of garbage. I decided to go ahead and get this right here, which is not a piece of garbage. The box has got some heft to it. Anyways, here you can see on the box here, it's a Yeti mic, or a what's it called? Blue Oval or something like that. I don't know. It just seemed like a cool mic and seemed to have some good ratings. It's PC and Mac compatible. It's a USB microphone, so hopefully this is going to work out. It looks like it's factory sealed. This is important because the price that I got this at was, in my opinion, pretty far below what I've ever seen them at. And it kind of made me a little hesitant, but granted the box is tattered, but that's kind of, I mean, it's not really bad, but I mean, that's kind of, you know, one of those things that you worry about. So in this box, you can see we've got the USB cable, and that's obviously, that's that, you can see that. That's that old style cable for the USB. Regular USB on the end there, large USB, and then I don't know what that is. A USB mini, I think. Got looks like an instruction booklet. I don't know if I'm going to need that. Now, not sure how this is supposed to taste, but I think you just pull it out like this. Ooh, that's nice. Holy smokes. Yeah, this thing is brand new. I'm telling you, for the price that I got it at, I wasn't sure. But this is, yeah, this has definitely not been out of its package. It's fighting me getting off. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. It gave me a packet of candy, too. Don't eat. Oh, this is going to be nice. That's exactly what I was looking for. Look at that thing. That is a thing of beauty. Yeah, that works. Ah, look at the dust on it. Wow, this thing is nice. Holy smokes. It's a lot bigger than I expected, too. But yeah, you can see we got a gain knob here. Pattern, which fairly confident I know what that means. So pattern means how the microphones, so you can adjust or dial in how the microphone picks up sound. And obviously, you know, you can adjust the gain. That thing's nice. Headphone, oh, you can plug headphones into it? So you can plug headphones into it. You get the mini USB port right there. You can obviously screw it into a boom. Oh, this is going to be nice. Cool. I just did a test live stream and a test FaceTime because I have a Mac, and I'll put a clip of the video up here just so you can see. No, it's got to work. Hello. Wow. Go to here, preferences, privacy or something. So can I see my own live? All right. So, can I see my own live? Wow, it actually works. So, can I see my own live? Wow, it actually works. So, can I see my own live? Wow, it actually works. So, can I see my own live? Oh, that was nuts. It's kind of funny. It's actually me trying to figure out doing live stream because, you know, that was kind of taken away. Holy smokes. Clarity was awesome. Mint. So, this is just another episode of What's Up Guy Garage. You know, figuring out my live stream that I'm going to do. I'm actually going to do a live stream teardown of my Red Cat Racing TRM8BS6, whatever the heck it is. That thing right there, that beast. That Red Cat right there. Slammed into a stone wall full speed and broke one of the hub mounts, or actually, it's actually a steering knuckle, which is kind of cool. With that Red Cat, all four corners take the exact same single piece. So in some ways, it's like intuitive, because it gives you the ability to tow the wheels. I guess the negative is yeah, if you slam into a stone wall, you're going to break something, and that piece broke, but that's fine. I mean, the pieces only cost between $12 and $16, depending upon where you get them from. And if you hit it up right, you can get free shipping. But anyways, thanks for watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. Share, go to my channel, like it, subscribe, bell notification, all that stuff. If you want to see the live stream that's going to be showing up on there, just hang out and check it out. Thanks for watching.